Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here. Since we are in the holiday season, I thought I'd do a case break. BenchWarmer product. It's not BenchWarmer Eclectic 2014, what you're seeing in front. It's actually a case that I bought that's right here. Seal case. This is a 2012 BenchWarmer holiday. So, got my knife open, got my knife ready, so I can open this up. All right, and then in this case, there are boxes that are signed boxes. So maybe we can get one of those. Maybe we can get a signed box. That would be so awesome. It's got like multiple signatures from BenchWarmer models. All right, I think that should be good enough. Okay, so maybe we get one of those. Oh, there's more boxes. All right, let's open up one first. Man, these things are heavy. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna take it out. One box out. There it is. So this is a case for 2012 holiday from BenchWarmer. 6 boxes per case. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's hope we get one of those multiple signed boxes. I think there's only 27 and there's a total of 99 cases. So you can do the math, and that will be our chance of getting one. Okay. There are the boxes, guys. Let's take one of those out. And we'll do one at a time. Doesn't look like we got a multiple autograph one. Nope, we didn't. Maybe in the other inner case we can get one. All right, but before I open this, guys, there's some girls that I'm hoping that I will get from this product. And let's see, I'm hoping that we might get a Jennifer Corbin card, something big from her, something big from Cassandra Lynn, maybe something big from Carmen Electra. There's Carmen Electra cards in here. Something big from Sarah Underwood, maybe something from Sarah Underwood. Something big from Tori Wilson. Maybe something from Tori Wilson. And a mega hit. Something huge. Hopefully we can get something huge. Alright. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we get. Alright. Wish me luck. Box number 1. Alright, wish me luck, guys. And happy holidays to everybody. 2012. This box right here says guarantee 9 autographs. Can you guys see that? Guarantee 9 autographs plus 1 holiday swatch per box. So there's a swatch in this box guaranteed. Whether it's autograph or not, we don't know. But you are guaranteed 1 holiday swatch. Alright. Here we go, guys. Wish me luck. Let's get this all ready. Okay. Wish me luck. Let's start off with... Actually, let's start off with this stack over here. Okay. First, we got Deanna Brooks, base auto. There's the back to that. Very nice back. Awesome. Deanna Brooks. Next we got a good one. Maria Canales. Very nice. She's a wrestler. She's a diva. She's a knockout. She's awesome. Maria Canales. Next we got April Scott, who played Daisy Dukes in one of the Dukes of Hazzard movies. I think it was the one that went straight to DVD, but she looks so hot, dressed as an elf. Awesome. Awesome back. Very cool. April Scott. Very, very nice. Next we got Juliana Prada, or Juliana Pinheiro. I think she's Brazilian, and she's very hot looking. She's on fire. Next we got Carrie Minter. Awesome. Very, very pretty. Next we got Jamie Hammer. Hammer time. Booyah. Or should I say like Adam says, bootay. And then we got a bonus card, exclusive bonus card of Tiffany Toth. And this is number 7 out of 10. Very, very nice. Tiffany Toth. Number 7 out of 10, green ink. Awesome. Awesome card. Then we got a card that's stuck in here. Let's pull this one out. Okay. We got a number 18 out of 25, Lisa Gleave. Very nice. There's the back. Lisa Gleave. Then we got a nice kiss card of Tiffany Toth. And this is number 1 out of 15. I love kiss cards. I don't have this one. Ooh, look at that back. Booyah. Bootay, Adam. Nice. Awesome. Awesome, awesome card. And then we are guaranteed one swatch card, and our swatch, oh, that feels really nice, is of Crystal Harris. Who, she was Crystal Harris at that time when she was a Playboy Playmate, but then she married Hugh Hefner and became Hugh Hefner's wife. She's now Crystal Hefner, but she's now a widow because Hugh Hefner died. So rest in peace, Hugh Hefner. And this is an awesome card. Wish it was signed though. That would have been awesome if we got a signed version of this. And check it out, guys. We did hit Tori Wilson, one of the girls that we wanted to hit. Tori Wilson, awesome. I love Tori Wilson. And booyah, awesome, Tori Wilson. So, sorry guys, I got a phone call, and every time I get a phone call while I'm recording, it automatically stops. Anyways, we got Tori Wilson, so we can cross her off our checklist now, because Tori Wilson was one of the girls that I was hoping to hit. So now we got her. So bye-bye to this. But hopefully we can get a number card from Tori Wilson or some big hit, and that would be awesome. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next boxes. All right, see you guys.